Benedict dominant nobis. Et donis tuis. Quae ex lagitate tua, summus sumpturi. Et concede ut, ab iis salubriter et nutriti, tibi debitum obsequium prestari veliamus. Per Iesum Christum Dominum nostrum, mense celestis nos participes facias, Rex aeternae gloriae. Amen.
That's recording.
Yeah.
说中文。好，这是你的衣服为什么会亮呢？因为现在这个衣服是就是让他记住30个词，说其中30个词就会让它亮起来，它可以点菜。你说一下，比如说 wow, cat, dog。他会一直在提，如果你说的那个词像他记住的那个30个词，他会来到。但是我其实想让他 detect 拉丁语。拉丁语对，什么时候可以 detect 中文吗？中文如果有 crowdsource 的 data， 就是如果我们有一个 library， 应该就可以，就是我们可以自己去录音，录了很多音之后，然后 push 到他这个上面，然后去训练他，对，训练他。所以我想找一些人读这个拉丁语，然后很多人读了之后再训练他去记住一些拉丁语。对啊，我想把它用四川话。可以啊，川话。OK。
Right. 7. Sheila. 6. Stop. 3. 3. 3. Tree. Tree. 2. Up. 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 Wow. Yes. 0. 0. Shayla. 0. 0. Bed. Bird. I'm gonna take a look. Getting there. Okay. Right now it's programming Chinese. Say something in Chinese.
我会说中文。
So it's just a little slow uploading and receiving on the cloud. It's using the Azure.
我们在等。
Hi. Sorry, I can't hear you. Ah.
我可以再说吗？
你可以再说一遍。
好。
You need to wait for me to press the button and then say.
你会说普通话吗 ？Can you speak ordinary?
Oh no.
Ordinary. Oh, ordinary. It's kind of. It's just the translation is really bad, but it is the right. It is what I said literally.
Just say
It
something
means
simple.
can you speak standard language or Mandarin?
你好。
That's funny. Can you speak ordinary?
Yeah.
That's a literal translation.
It got this one quickly. Okay. Maybe because I talked.
Does it work in just Chinese right now?
No.
Any language?
That's why I'm having you here. So look, you can choose the languages. Say something in French.
Je suis un Américain. Actually, that was really wrong. It shouldn't be un.
Okay.
Let's see. What else should I say?
German.
Okay. Wait a second. I need to think of what to say.
Ay.
I need to say something pithy.
Pithy.
Ich komme aus einem fernen Land. I should say like I come from a faraway country. I come from a distant.
Okay, not too far. So.
Hang on. Berlin ist meine Lieblingsstadt in Deutschland.
You like Berlin the best?
In Germany.
Really?
Yeah. Berlin.
Oh, what?
Berlin, that's pretty accurate. Okay. In Deutschland gibt es 80 Millionen Menschen.
I feel like it cannot translate very long sentences. Yeah. See?
Berlin ist geil. Berlin's awesome.
What?
Yeah, it's actually a dirty word.
Okay. I see.
It refuses to translate it.
That actually is pretty accurate. So it has Italian. Oh,
I don't really know any Italian.
Japanese.
You say something in Japanese. You can say something in Japanese.
Okay. So that's all it has. I wanted to have Latin, but
I think I know something in Russian. Let's see. What do I know in Russian? Probably
хорошо.
just bad words.
Konnichiwa.
Phlegm is blood.
为什么?
You just said something really terrible.
How about?
I thought you were the machine has to work on Japanese. Let's do some more Chinese. That's fun.
This is a very long video. 你说?
北京烤鸭. Oh, it said max duration 1.5 seconds.
Oh. Beijing Rostock, you got it!
Yeah, so it stops after 1.5 seconds.
Oh, that's really short. Oh, I bet I can program it to be longer.
这里的天文台.
Probably doesn't get it.
Yeah.
That's
the observatory.
Maybe
这里是天文
台。
台. I was trying to say Chile's observatories. Okay, good.
Pretty good.